A woman detained over a cart of liquor? Nothing unusual until a very different detail shows up on camera.
Who's that? Hi, what's the baby's name? Last name?
She says it's for her father's funeral.
All that liquor?
It's a lot of liquor.
For a funeral? Really?
That's for the repast.
Minutes later, that story changes completely.
I'm this since my father passed, and it was for a repast. Yes, I never came here before.
This encounter took place on June 3rd, 2024, inside a retail store during what began as a routine theft investigation. Partway through, one man tells the officer, quote, "I have my everything, my concealed carry," as if that single phrase settles the matter. It does not. Holding a permit and being legally allowed to carry a loaded accessible firearm in a vehicle are two very different things. That gap between what he believed and what the law actually required becomes one of three legal problems buried inside this stop.
You want me to walk you, or you already know where to go?
We know where to go.
Okay. We're both home.
They made us beat, and the way we...
Okay? That's not my problem. My concern right now is my stuff going which one's my witness? Sorry.
How are you?
Can you just come sit over here,
Yep,
please?
sorry guys, thank you.
How's it going, gentlemen?
How you doing?
Thank you.
What's up?
So she's very concerned about her kid getting taken away right now, so she's kind of antsy and on it.
Okay, so what happened anyway?
This whole cart right here is all everything she tried to walk out with. Who's it? Everything.
I got it, yep.
It's a party time.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Can we start working on everything?
Yep, we're gonna get right. Can you give me a trainer receipt, please? Literally just walked through liquor, loaded it all up, went to our men's department, grabbed some clothes to put on top of it.
What happened?
Tried to walk right
I
out.
was, well, my dad had passed. I was trying to get free liquor, but turnover, but I didn't have the money. So I was just trying to get some stuff.
You can ask for help instead of stealing stuff. You know, you can't be stealing stuff.
All that liquor?
It's a lot of liquor.
For a funeral? Really?
That's for the repast.
Hey, Antonio, can you go to 3?
So we're gonna find out how much it is.
Yeah, you
Take
get
it
a
from
receipt,
there.
right? It's a lot. It's a lot. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. That's for sure. What's your last name? What's your?
Okay, she
What
didn't have a baby
is?
with her at all? Okay, thank you. I just want to make sure it's not the same individual.
What's your address?
I wasn't there. I didn't come. This is my first time ever coming here.
I want your name. How bad is your criminal history?
I have no idea. I never been out there before.
Who's that? Hi, what's the baby's name? Last name?
The male appears to be sleeping off stand
Alright, we work on this for sure, okay? Hang on tight.
with a high volume vest on and mouth by camera.
Three of these.
Hi, hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. Did you try that? Okay. I said,
What did you say?
This is off for her her dad's party. He passed away. It's one of those call it parties.
And she does the same shit they told me. Just called off and she took those out because she had some conversation.
Yeah, so this was all for that. Allegedly. She was gonna sell stuff for mom and pop store. That's all she was gonna do.
I don't have it.
I know, I have to put it in the.
Picked her up in liquor, so I'd have to double check them. These look old.
Yeah, those look old.
She took her pants off. Because I literally just had a theft with another individual, and I'm pretty sure she was the accomplice.
Yeah, and these are new. I don't have these.
I bet you probably heard she took them off.
Yeah.
I wonder if that kid's still in the parking lot.
Yep, that's what I was gonna ask her now. She wasn't saying
I
anything.
bet you it literally happened 1:59. Literally, he walks out, and then I got a call from my car attendant matching her description, but she had beige pants on. So I'm assuming that she probably took them off.
And then she's what?
I have no idea. He had taken picked her up. She must have came back in.
Oh, so you don't know what the other guy took?
No, I literally just I got her in liquor as I was looking at her. You can see him walking out. He's got like a big he's holding on to everything.
She's oh, I'm gonna ask her now.
I'm sure.
Yeah, time goes
But
away.
even they were.
Oh yeah.
Nate, can you hold it while I open this up? Can you hold this? Alright.
Alright. Alright. Who else is with you out there?
His dad.
His dad?
Yeah, he didn't know what I was coming to do.
Is he out there not waiting for you?
Huh?
Is he out there not waiting for you?
Yeah, he thought I was coming to get him some Pampers and wipes.
Okay. What is he driving out there?
A Chevy Equinox.
What color?
Blue.
And he has nothing to do with this. He doesn't know anything about this. The reason why I say that is because the camera is showing someone else that was stealing some liquor right before you.
It wasn't me. I have a tattoo on something in the nose ring.
No, a guy, not you, a guy.
Oh, no.
That's why so I was wondering if that was
Subtle.
someone that was with you.
Oh, no, that's...
Alright, so here's what I want to happen. Okay, I'm going to run your criminal history. If you're saying it's true what you said to me, it's $738.
That's not...
Oh yeah, liquor's expensive.
Start with the theft allegation itself. The officer places the loss at roughly $700 to $800 in liquor. That figure matters because most states draw the line between misdemeanor and felony theft somewhere between $500 and $1,000. Cross that line, and the case is no longer a store-level matter. It becomes something the state attorney's office must formally screen.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, liquor is very expensive.
I didn't go out the door with it.
Doesn't matter.
You were in the vestibule.
Yeah, vestibule's the same thing. Once you pass the registers, that's it. You're
I can
done.
get you anywhere I want on the carpet. It
Yeah.
don't matter. You don't know the rules.
Yeah, so here's what I want to happen, okay? We're going to try and make this as nice as possible. I'm getting a car seat for the little one. We're going to go to the station. I'm going to charge you with retail theft. Because of the dollar amount, I'm going to have to screen it. I'm going to have to contact our state's attorney. You did the felony amount. More than likely, because you have no criminal history, they're not going to approve a felony, but I have to go through the process. So I want to let you know how it works.
Could he go with his dad? I don't want to take him to the police station.
If he's out there, if he has nothing to do with it,
He don't.
he has nothing in that car that was stolen from here.
He never came. This is my first time coming in.
What's he wearing?
He had on all black. A black shirt, black pants, and black Jordans, and a black hat.
Okay. We're gonna go out there and talk to him. If there's nothing in there that's not, that's not supposed to be there, then yeah, no problem. I have no problem at all having him pick up the baby. But if he is, obviously, if he does have some mileage in there that belongs to Target, then that's
Cause we
gonna be
never.
an
This is
issue.
my first time walking here. I never been here till just
You haven't been
now.
any other targets today at all?
No, I haven't been
Walmart,
nowhere.
nothing?
Nothing.
Okay.
This is my first time
Okay,
doing here.
just so you know though, if we do find out that you were at other targets, we are going to file against you as well.
I have not. This is my first time being
Okay,
in
he's
Amherst.
had
Just letting you know.
I never even been here. This is my first time here.
Because this isn't usually a one-time thing that happens.
This is my first time ever did this. I never
I'm
been
just
nowhere.
informing you of what could possibly happen.
I never been nowhere before, but here.
Okay, so we're gonna. What's his name?
His name Cameron.
Okay. Again, we're gonna talk to him. If there's anything in there, that he took from her, then it won't be an issue. If there isn't anything at all, no problem. We'll give him the baby.
Can I talk to you? Cause this my first time I'm in here now. My child with me.
Hey, Colin, people for it.
Not just like, the card is in there.
Oh yeah, I put myself I'm so here with Jeff. You hold with Benny for me. He said he wants to, but since I'm in here, do you mind grabbing knife and kissing?
What are you really doing with this alcohol? Where are you selling it?
No,
Alright, so let's be for real with each other.
I'm dead since my father passed, and it was for a rebate. Yes, I never came in here before. This is my first
Multiple
time.
bottles of each.
I can. It's my car. I can give you permission. You can go to inside the car because there's nothing in there.
All right. Well, the vehicle belongs to Taja.
Yeah.
So she's giving us permission, so we can check that car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we'll search the car, and I mean, there's nothing, tell the idiot we're giving him a chance here. So if there's nothing in there, he can come pick up the baby. If there is something in there, then obviously there's going to be an issue. So,
we have my.
yeah, no sense for him to being asked.
He's not being nice.
Okay? All right, bye.
So that's the guy that they have on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah, just make sure if there's nothing in there that belongs to Target, then we're good, and we'll have the baby go with him.
Okay.
He's a daddy. We'll take it from there. Unless you have $800 on you.
Can I talk to you privately somewhere real quick?
But it's not going to change no matter what you
I know.
tell
I
me.
just want to ask you.
You could ask me. Go ahead. Want to come talk to me over here? Come on. Go ahead. Well, you're not going to jail, that's for sure. But you are coming with us, and you're going to get charged with retail theft. Like I said, because of the dollar amount of being over $500, I need to go on ahead and contact the state's attorney. If you're telling me the truth that there is no criminal history, then more than likely you're going to say, okay, you're done. You just charge me with misdemeanor class A, misdemeanor retail theft, and you're going back home. That's all it is. Now, for whatever reason, the baby's daddy right now is under arrest. I don't know what he did out there, but he's under arrest.
He under arrest?
Yes.
For what?
I don't know. They just said Mark, he's under arrest. I don't know if he gave the officers a hard time out
He
there.
probably gave him a heart attack. Could you please don't arrest him and let him get the baby, please? He don't have a criminal background up there.
I don't know what's his problem.
Could I talk to him or something? Because until you get the baby, I don't want my baby to go anywhere. Could you?
Well, the baby's going to go back with you.
Okay.
The baby's not, like I said, I mean, I'm on a screen. I've been doing this for a long time, so I know that if your criminal history is clean, meaning if you're being honest with me,
I promise I am.
then it's not going to be a felony.
Okay, well, my name is not what name it is. I can change. I'll give you my real name.
That's even worse.
Because I didn't want to go to jail for years or something.
But you know that if I run you, regardless, with having your fingerprints, I would know exactly who you are.
That's not theirs. That's not y'all. That's mine.
We're gonna double check right
They
now.
don't see it.
Come over here. Come over here,
That ain't
Tasha.
yours.
Come over here. Come over here.
Huh?
Not from us.
That's not theirs. I pay for that.
That's what they're saying now. It's not.
It's not theirs. That's ours. I pay.
Hold on a minute. They're saying the same thing too.
I pay cash for that.
The medics are on their way over.
Where'd you get that from? Where'd you get that
At the
from?
liquor store on 87th and 80th and Halsted.
Okay. You have a receipt for it?
No, not it's on my phone.
Where's your phone?
In the car, dead. Was in the car.
Yeah, it's not Target 10.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You almost got it. It's pretty close.
I got that from the liquor store.
Yeah,
I
that's
have
fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That was the 03 for? The 03 was for that? Okay. Alright, so.
That's not open. That's
I know. Just relax.
We'll go back.
okay.
Just relax. Alright, so nothing else in there? Okay. So he's coming out clear because that's not from Target. Alright, so we're gonna We're gonna give the baby to him.
Okay.
You're gonna come with us.
Okay.
Okay, and then we'll go through the process there, and you'll be able to give him a call in a little bit. And if you get released, we can come and pick you up. I would say that as long as you, like I said, as long as everything else is coming out good, you should be able to get released. Okay?
Why do I go to camp? I need to go to court and something.
Why are you asking me this? You're the one that was stealing, right? Okay, well there you go. It's a simple question. You just answered your own question. If you wouldn't be doing this, I wouldn't have to be here at all. You know what I mean? It's just the way it works. And it's a felony amount. If it's maybe a couple $100, $100, well, I could probably, let you go on some type of a local ordinance, but $800, I can't do that.
I don't know if that's too impressive.
Those are the prices.
I know,
That's
but this is
expensive.
my first time ever doing something good, so
Okay.
I see.
Well, hopefully it's your last time. Put it that way. So we're gonna have him get the baby, and then you're gonna come with us. And like I said, it's. Victor 1. Did that register owner come back clear?
Probable cause for the arrest itself rests on more than just an accusation. It rests on the totality of the circumstances. Under Illinois versus Gates, officers may combine witness identification video and behavior patterns to establish probable cause. Here, that totality includes a loss prevention description, a car attendant's matching call, and a subject caught changing her story 3 times. First, she says the alcohol was for a repast after her father's funeral. Then she says it was for a refund. Then she says the property belonged to her father outright. 3 explanations for the same cart is not corroboration. It is inconsistency. Inconsistency alone is not a crime, but it is exactly the kind of fact pattern that strengthens rather than weakens probable cause. The second legal issue is timing. Once the officer tells her she is, quote, coming with us, the analysis shifts. Miranda versus Arizona only requires warnings once a suspect is in custody and subject to interrogation, not simply being questioned. Before that point, on-scene clarifying questions about a shifting explanation are generally permitted without any warning at all. But the moment custody is communicated, continued substantive questioning without a warning becomes legally risky, not automatically unlawful. On this footage, the line is close. The officer does not clearly cross it, but he comes near enough to matter.
Okay. All right. Bye.
What happened with the dad? He can't get him?
What do you have under your driver's side seat?
My gun. No, I haven't registered. I got my FOI card and stuff in the car. I have my ID.
Doesn't matter. You're supposed to have a concealed carry.
I have that.
You have a concealed carry
Yeah,
too?
I have my everything. Yes.
I guess we'll find out then.
I have all that. That's all that's mine. It's in my name. I have my card. I have everything.
Okay. Right, that's good. They're checking now.
Can you tell them to get my wallet out the car? My wallet is in there with all my stuff in it. That's right here. That's mine. It's in my name. It's paid for. I have all that. It's registered. Can I get my FOI card and stuff for you and show you in a
Yeah, we're gonna grab it. Well, we won't know anyways once you run our information.
Her accounts and what they have, so we can just use this pretend into it.
You can't. You gotta take that just because that's my.
Victor 1.
And then he bought another $200.
Thank you.
All right, that ruler that Victor 2 ran supposed to belongs to the person that have in custody here. You check to see if she has a valid Ford and concealed carry, please.
It's in my wallet.
So he just wanted to buy it, but he's saying that.
And I have the receipt from Eagles. sporting range where I paid for the
And I was like, what the
stuff. And I have a receipt for the boys, I have the receipt for everything.
Okay.
That's why I don't have no criminal background, because they let me get that.
That makes sense.
No,
Yeah,
he
you
did
see?
2 already. This is his 3rd TV. So
Still saying the same thing about it.
no, he's gonna do some. Yeah, I'm just. That's what I'm saying.
I can't see it.
All of that's in my
You
name.
wanna
I have the
just
safe in the car and
take a
everything.
picture of this, you
Everything
have the
is.
number, and you know where
Okay.
it's at.
And I
That's
bought
the
it
reason
at
it's just
Eagle Sporting Range on 150 something in the suburbs. Eagles, yeah.
Alright, I just wanna ask.
Yeah, you can always do that.
I know, I figured, but I just wanted to get it off because
glad
it's
you
the
did.
third time that he mentioned
Yeah,
it.
because that's what I have a criminal background with that.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on.
Okay.
The third issue is the vehicle search. And here, the officer's paperwork trail is actually clean. The subject offers consent unprompted. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamante, consent to search must be voluntary, based on the totality of the circumstances, not coerced. Nothing here suggests coercion. She states the vehicle is hers and repeats the offer before officers even ask a second time. That consent is what allows officers to search a vehicle belonging to a man who, at that point, is not even a suspect. Which brings the analysis back to the firearm. Once inside, officers find it under the driver's seat, not in a locked container. The driver's permit, according to dispatch, is valid for a firearm generally, but not valid for concealed carry specifically. That distinction is the entire case. A permit valid for home or range use does not authorize accessible transport in a vehicle. Most restricted permit statutes require the firearm to be unloaded with the magazine separated and stored somewhere inaccessible to occupants. The driver insists the magazine was out, but he also says it was, quote, next to it, inside the glove compartment. Separated on paper is not the same as separated in practice. Proximity inside the same compartment is likely to fail that standard. He offers a mitigating explanation. The household is relocating and the firearm is only in the car because everything else is too. That context may soften how the case is charged, but it does not change the underlying legal requirement for how a firearm must travel.
Okay, come on.
Why are they not afraid of them? Why are they like
We're going to have to for the PD.
Yes, sir.
Just in case.
Yep.
You got a card?
I know. I'm in the process of reordering some more. I know.
All right. Hold on, I'm talking on the radio.
Yeah,
real
you're
quick. Guess not.
Huh?
No. Here. If you don't mind, please.
Yes, sir.
And where'd you spot it? Camera or?
Liquor aisle.
Okay.
They're grabbing all that liquor.
Okay. Yeah, the whole piece going under. It's under construction right now. So if we do have
went in-
information, there's
When we
probably.
went in there to drop off some stuff for you guys a couple weeks ago, and we saw it with your flood and everything like that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a freaking disaster.
Yeah. You had the one officer at the front. He was your guys' new assistant up there.
Yeah. Victor, 2 from 1?
Got my cell on there too.
Yeah, please. Tasha's wallet is in her car. It should have her,
And then I have my black
it's a green wallet.
boy card in my.
and it should have a
seat.
40 card and a
And
concealed
a
carry in there.
in my blue book bag with my paperwork information.
Her checking.
I can have my what's name with me if I pay for it and I got it.
What was it again?
I can have that with me, can I? If I
When you have concealed carry, yes you do. If you have a FOID, no. Right now, according to the dispatcher, it only shows you with a FOID.
I have my other paperwork.
That's why they're checking. I'm not trying to help. I'm on your side here.
You see everything on my line, everything's coming back clear. Like the liquor lines, the FOID card, I have all that stuff. I paid for this thing at Eagles. I had a receipt for it and everything.
Yeah, the most important thing right now is a concealed carry. If you have that in there, because
I have
100% of the time, whenever someone has a concealed carry, dispatcher's going to tell us, yes, there's a concealed carry. Right now they're saying, yes, FOID, no concealed carry.
I have all that, and I have my receipts for me paying for it.
Paying for what?
The gun and stuff. And
I don't care about the gun. I worry about the concealed carry. That's what I worry about right now.
But it's in my name and stuff. I want to just have somebody gun and stuff. It's my.
You understand me, right?
Yeah.
Forget about the FOID. FOID is when you have it at home.
Okay.
Okay? When you're driving around with a gun that's fully loaded underneath your driver's side seat, you need to have a concealed carry.
I have that.
Okay. If you have that, we're good. If you're not, then it might be an issue.
How's that an issue? Because it's.
You don't understand? Are you understanding
No,
me?
I know.
Okay, well then we'll stop for now until I find out what's going on, okay? Right now, it says you have no concealed carry.
I have the receipts.
I don't care about a receipt.
ID. I have.
You gotta have like a driver's
Card,
license.
yeah, it's
just
my
like
name
that. It
on
says
it.
concealed carry.
And my name is on
Does it
it.
say FOID? Or does it say concealed carry?
It say FOID. I have one with FOID, and I have a second one concealed to carry. I have two.
Okay, but you see where I'm coming from?
Yeah, I know what
Doesn't
you're
make any
saying.
sense because usually when we run someone's name, it's going to say yes driver's license, yes FOID card, yes concealed carry. No for driver's license. Driver's license is no good. Yes for
I never had
FOID.
a driver's license.
Well, you've been arrested before for that, right? For suspended driver's license.
No, I never been arrested. I never got license in my name.
Have you been stopped before driving?
Yeah, I have got stopped one time.
So you do have a driver's license, just no good because
Yeah.
you've been stopped for it. So you have a driver's license on file?
No.
But it says that's the way it works.
Oh, okay.
That's the way it works. So
I
whenever you
never went to the DMV to get one.
Okay, whenever you get stopped,
Uh-huh.
okay, and you get stopped for driving a vehicle with no driver's license, the state's going to automatically give you a driver's license with a driver's license number, and it's going to say suspended.
I don't have suspended.
Okay. Forget it.
But he's
No,
trying.
it's okay.
He have his license
It doesn't.
too.
I'm just telling you what
Okay.
we're getting from dispatch.
Okay.
It's the information we're getting from dispatch. Okay. So I know you're nervous.
I'm not nervous. I'm just saying everything's
Okay.
legit.
Well,
Like
okay.
nothing's like.
Let me
I
go one more
stole
time
it.
because we gotta get going here.
Terry versus Ohio is worth mentioning here only briefly. It governs brief investigatory stops based on reasonable suspicion, not full arrests. It is not directly at issue in this footage, since the theft stop escalates quickly to probable cause, but it frames why early questioning was permitted at all. Now consider the third party in this footage, the loss prevention staff, whose identification anchors the entire theft case. Their account that she loaded the cart and covered it with clothing before heading for the exit is doing significant legal work here. If that account is accurate and matches the store's video, it is strong. If it is exaggerated, the whole case weakens with it. That single account is a hinge point the eventual prosecution will need to test carefully.
Okay, come on.
You find anything in that her wallet? Okay. So if this guy is not under arrest, have him come pick up the baby. You guys don't have anything on him, right? Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So if he's out there now, have him come pick up the baby. Have one of you guys come with him so we could get her out there, and we'll take it from there. All right. Thanks, man.
Roll out with one of you guys out there to grab a picture of the vehicle.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Well, he's giving a picture of it, so I will come back, or?
Yeah, just in case you come back.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Yeah, it's part of, which I have to do the same thing too, so.
Oh,
They're out there.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not coming back here.
Yeah, just in case that car does stop at a different target.
Okay.
You know what to look for.
Grading time. The officer earns a B+. He verifies contested items individually rather than accepting the higher total at face value. He obtains clean voluntary consent before searching a vehicle that does not belong to his suspect, and he explains the felony threshold honestly. He loses points only for how close continued questioning came to the custodial line and for not stating the firearm statute more precisely on camera. The subject earns a C. She does not resist physically, and her consent to search actually helps clear her companion quickly. But 3 different explanations for the same cart of liquor is the kind of inconsistency that damages credibility long after the stop ends. The driver earns a B-. He is transparent about the firearm immediately and does not attempt to hide or deny it. His mistake is believing that any valid permit covers any storage method, when in fact the specific permit type controls everything. The loss prevention staff earn a provisional B. Their identification is detailed and specific, which is exactly what probable cause requires. Whether that grade holds depends entirely on whether the store's video ultimately confirms what they told the officer on scene.
Is the cart still out there with all the liquor, or did they take the cart? Okay.
Okay.
Dad is coming now to grab the baby, okay?
So how are they going to take my gun and stuff and say I'm not concealed or have a point and say it's not registered?
I'm telling you right now, the officer said he found your wallet. And there's no concealed carry in there.
In the black.
Okay, that's why I told him that the dad come and pick up the baby so we can go ourselves and look. Okay?
And I have my receipt.
I'm gonna give you. I don't care about a receipt. No, you don't. Here you go. I just need the ID. Not the FOID, but I know the FOID is good because I just confirmed that. But now I'm at the concealed carry. That's where I'm at right now. I need to get there. Which right now it's not looking good. But you understand where I'm coming from, right?
Because I have all my receipts. I have my paper. No, that's not it. That's my state ID. That's kind of. It's in my black purse. It's in a black purse. And I have my receipt for the gun. I have a receipt for the bullets. I have a receipt for everything.
We're just looking for the CCL, right?
Yeah.
Okay. They didn't find anything.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go double check again. I'm gonna have to put you in cuffs, okay? So.
Can I go with you so I can?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. No, it's gotta be in back.
Can you don't do it tight? I'm not gonna run nowhere.
Why are you not gonna run? Trust me, I know that.
Can you don't do
I
it
won't,
tight?
but I can run pretty quick.
It's too tight.
Yeah, it's not tight. Well, now I'll double check. That's all. I'll give you the benefit of doubt. Look at it. See if my finger fits in here.
Yeah.
Oh boy. It hurts because cuffs are not made for comfort. Look at it. You got all that room in there. You got a lot of room. Hold on, I'm gonna lock these. That way they won't move on you. Now, even if you move around, it's not gonna move. Okay, you see? And it won't come off or anything.
This hurts.
Yeah, but like I said, they're handcuffs. They're gonna hurt little. Okay? Come on.
Move that green thing. Yeah, that blue bag. Look at that bottom part in that black water. It's the bottom part. No.
So, if, let's say, for example, if you had the gun back here, safe, then you would have been okay. But if you have that gun underneath the driver's seat, it is ready to
you
go.
know exactly what's going on. It's like a lot of stuff is.
But, you know, what you're not having a, what you're having a clean, clear, clean criminal history.
I can get it for a concealed carry.
Get it, exactly. You're gonna have to try. You're gonna have to try now. But the thing is that for you to have that gun in your car, you have to have it.
Even with it unloaded and separated.
But that's well, if it's unloaded, separated, something totally different. But it's under her car loaded, right?
Nah,
the magazine was out.
It wasn't loaded.
Nah, it wasn't loaded.
I just told him the magazine was
So
out.
how could y'all try to
the magazine was with it? Next to it?
Nah.
It's in the glove department.
It's accessible to the driver. If you had it back here,
You want them leaving a note if there's no contact made?
accessible?
Yeah, for something to happen. That's what they say to happen.
But that's the unfortunate part. Things like you have a Floyd, it's totally different. Trust me, I know where you're coming from. I really, really wish you had a concealed carry. I know you didn't because the dispatcher would have said valid Floyd and valid concealed carry. But she only said valid Floyd. But you do have that. It only allows you to go to the shooting range, okay? And it allows you to have it at home to protect yourself at home.
So
But
not
if
in
you
the
didn't
car,
have it in
not
your-
with the
It has to be transported
with the clip
correctly.
inside the gun. If the clip wasn't in the gun,
But if you
it
have
was away from each
accessible,
other.
but if it's accessible, which you did, you have it here and there. You reach for
They said have it away from each other.
it cannot be reachable. Where you, if I could do
Only
this,
reason it's in the car is because we're moving. That's all the stuff. We're
if I
literally
could do
moving
this,
to
reach into
Wisconsin
my
right now. So
magazine,
that's the only
grab
reason
it
the
center
gun is
console
even
or
in the
the
car in
glove
general. Or other than that, it would have been put up somewhere. But yeah, all our stuff is in the car because we're moving. So that's the only reason the gun is in the car anyway.
Yeah, and it wasn't in the clip. It wasn't loaded.
well,
It wasn't
you're gonna have
in the
to, you're
shell.
gonna have to go to court office. Totally different. All right. This target, like I said, that more than likely be a misdemeanor. That's something totally different. You have to report for that. See what the judge is doing. I don't know what they do.
But her charges is different because she got a Ford. It's not like she got a
It's a little different.
UUW or something like
it's
that.
Technically, she could say a misunderstanding.
Right, yeah. So that's like a
Use that in court.
misdemeanor
It's a misunderstanding.
infraction. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to put you back. I'm going to walk over to my car, or it's right here. Then we go to the police department. We're going to take the care of. If he wants within the hour or so, hopefully he can pick you up. But we got to make some phone calls. Okay? You have a phone?
Yeah.
She has your number?
Yeah, I'm following you out
Okay.
there.
All right. All right, come in the back.
I'm right behind you.
All right.
Can you move this?
What's that?
This got to be.
Yeah, just be careful. Okay. There's a little groove right there. There you go.
81, can we get an LTC?
I know, it's not comfortable.
For the station
It'll be fast. We're not far from the station. You're good. All right.
I'm just confirming this is a theft report.
All right.
So which mistake actually creates more legal exposure here? A suspect who tells 3 different stories? Or a driver who trusted a permit he never fully understood? 3 takeaways from this stop. First, a concealed carry permit is not one universal license. Its restrictions depend entirely on its specific type. Second, changing your explanation more than once to police rarely helps your case. It almost always becomes evidence against you later. Third, giving consent to search is legally powerful. It can clear an innocent party fast, but it can just as easily expose a new problem. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.